Today's Jack Thursday. What's your financial end? There's a couple reasons that you need to have a financial end. One, if you write down what you want in life and talk about it to yourself or to your loved one as much as they can handle it, you're infinitely more likely to achieve your goals if you write them down or think about them all the time. And the more specific you are about it, the greater likelihood that it's going to happen, and within a time frame.
We led off in career path with this is one of our questions.
If you don't have a number yet, I would like you to consider 10 million. Here's why. If you already have 10 million in cash, let's say, or equity or whatever, then you're not listening to the show because you don't care about money anymore. You know, to what end though? To what financial end? $10 million is about 350 real estate deals. If you buy for 40, sell for 80, which is very, very, very accomplishable. Let's call it 50 weeks in the year. So if you do 2 deals a week, which is really not hard, especially with land funding and all the help that you get here.
You do it in 4 years.
Yeah, exactly.